Ever dreamed of running your own business? Imagine selling cool stuff online without ever touching the products. That's the magic of dropshipping. You can start your own business with very little money. It's a great way to make extra cash or even build a full-time income. Ready to dive in? I'm here to guide you every step of the way. Let's turn your entrepreneurial dreams into reality. Dropshipping is like being a middleman. You create a cool online store and list products from other companies. When someone buys from your store, you contact your supplier. They package and ship the product directly to your customer. The best part? You never deal with inventory, packaging, or shipping. You focus on what you do best, finding awesome products and marketing your store. Dropshipping is super popular and it's only getting bigger in 2025. Here's why: you don't need to buy bulk inventory up front. This saves you tons of money and risk. You can start a dropshipping business with very little money. Run your business from anywhere with an internet connection. Work from home, a coffee shop, or even the beach. With dropshipping, you're in control. You choose the products, set your prices, and build your brand. Ready to launch your dropshipping empire? Follow these simple steps to ensure your success in the competitive world of e-commerce. Dropshipping can be a lucrative business model if you approach it with the right strategy and mindset. Let's dive into the essential steps you need to take to build a thriving dropshipping business from scratch. First, choose a specific category of products you're passionate about. This will not only keep you motivated, but also help you connect with your target audience. Research trending products and niches to find a category that has high demand but isn't overly saturated. Use tools like Google Trends, social media platforms, and market research websites to gather data and insights. Remember, your passion and knowledge about the products will reflect in your marketing efforts and customer interactions. Next, partner with trustworthy suppliers who offer quality products and fast shipping. Building strong relationships with reliable suppliers is crucial for the success of your dropshipping business. Look for suppliers with good reviews, reasonable prices, and efficient shipping methods. Platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, and Salehoo can help you find reputable suppliers. Communicate clearly with your suppliers to ensure they understand your quality standards and delivery expectations. A reliable supplier will help you maintain customer satisfaction and build a positive reputation for your store. Select an e-commerce platform like Shopify to build your online store. Shopify is user-friendly and offers a range of customizable templates to create a professional-looking store. It also provides various tools and apps to help you manage your inventory, process orders, and track sales. Other popular e-commerce platforms include WooCommerce, BigCommerce, and Magento. Choose a platform that suits your technical skills and business needs. Setting up your store on a reliable platform will streamline your operations and enhance the shopping experience for your customers. Design a professional-looking store that's easy to navigate. Your website's design plays a significant role in attracting and retaining customers. Use a clean and modern layout with intuitive navigation to make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Pay attention to the color scheme, fonts, and overall aesthetics to create a visually appealing store. Consider hiring a professional web designer if needed. A well-designed store will build trust with your customers and encourage them to make purchases. List your chosen products with appealing descriptions and high-quality images. Product listings are the heart of your online store. Write detailed and engaging product descriptions that highlight the features, benefits, and unique selling points of each item. Use high-resolution images that showcase the products from different angles. Consider adding videos or customer reviews to enhance the listings. Accurate and attractive product listings will help you convert visitors into buyers and reduce the chances of returns or complaints. Price your products strategically to attract customers and make a profit. Pricing is a critical aspect of your dropshipping business. Research your competitors' prices and consider your costs, including product cost, shipping, and marketing expenses. Use pricing strategies like psychological pricing, discounts, and bundles to entice customers. Ensure your prices are competitive but also allow you to maintain a healthy profit margin. Regularly review and adjust your pricing based on market trends and customer feedback. Promote your store and products through targeted ads on platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Effective marketing is essential to drive traffic to your store and generate sales. Use social media advertising to reach your target audience and create engaging ad campaigns that highlight your product's benefits. Experiment with different ad formats such as carousel ads, video ads, and influencer collaborations. Monitor your ad performance and optimize your campaigns based on the results. Consistent and targeted marketing efforts will help you build brand awareness and attract loyal customers. Choosing the right niche is crucial for dropshipping success. It's the foundation upon which your entire business will be built. A well-chosen niche can make the difference between a thriving business and one that struggles to get off the ground. Here's how to find yours. Follow your passion. Think about what excites you, what you love to talk about, and what you spend your free time doing. When you choose a niche that aligns with your interests, it doesn't feel like work. Instead, it becomes a fulfilling endeavor that you look forward to every day. What are you interested in? This is a fundamental question. Your interests can guide you to a niche that you are not only passionate about but also knowledgeable in. This knowledge can be a significant advantage as you will understand your target audience better and can create more compelling marketing strategies. Selling products you love makes running your business more enjoyable. When you are passionate about what you are selling, it shows in your customer interactions and marketing efforts. This enthusiasm can be contagious, making your customers more excited about your products. Research trends. Use tools like Google Trends to see what products are in high demand. Staying on top of trends can help you identify emerging markets and products that are gaining popularity. This proactive approach can give you a competitive edge and help you stay ahead of the curve. Consider competition. Look for niches with less competition to increase your chances of standing out. While high-demand products are attractive, they often come with fierce competition. Finding a balance between demand and competition is key. A niche with moderate demand but low competition can be a goldmine. Remember, a niche market allows you to target a specific group of people with unique interests. This targeted approach can lead to higher conversion rates and more loyal customers. By understanding and catering to the specific needs and preferences of your niche audience, you can build a strong, dedicated customer base that supports your business for the long term. Your suppliers are your partners in dropshipping. Look for these qualities. Reliability. Choose suppliers with a proven track record of fulfilling orders on time. Quality products. Offer your customers products that are well made and meet their expectations. Fast shipping. Provide a positive customer experience with quick and efficient shipping. Don't be afraid to contact multiple suppliers and compare their offerings before making a decision. Your online store is your virtual storefront. It's the first impression customers will have of your business, so it's crucial to make it count. Think of it as your digital shop window, where every detail matters. From the layout to the colors, everything should reflect your brand's identity and values. Make it inviting and easy to use. A user-friendly interface can significantly enhance the shopping experience, encouraging visitors to stay longer and explore more. Simplify the navigation, ensure that categories are clearly defined, and make the search function efficient. The easier it is for customers to find what they're looking for, the more likely they are to make a purchase. Choose a platform. Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that's perfect for dropshippers. It offers a range of customizable templates and tools that can help you create a professional-looking store without needing extensive technical skills. Other platforms like WooCommerce and BigCommerce also offer robust features, so consider your specific needs and budget when making a choice. Select a theme. Pick a visually appealing theme that aligns with your brand and niche. The theme you choose sets the tone for your store, so it should be consistent with your brand's aesthetics. Look for themes that are not only attractive but also responsive, meaning they look good on both desktop and mobile devices. Many platforms offer free and premium themes, so take your time to explore the options. Create compelling content, write clear product descriptions, use high-quality images, and consider adding customer reviews. Your product descriptions should be detailed and informative, highlighting the key features and benefits. High-quality images can make a significant difference, as they give customers a better idea of what they're buying. Customer reviews add credibility and can influence purchasing decisions, so encourage satisfied customers to leave feedback. Make it mobile-friendly, ensure your store looks great, and functions flawlessly on all devices. With more people shopping on their smartphones, a mobile-friendly design is essential. Test your store on various devices to ensure that it loads quickly and that all features work seamlessly. A poor mobile experience can lead to lost sales, so don't overlook this crucial aspect. Remember, a well-designed online store builds trust with your customers. Trust is a key factor in online shopping, and a professional-looking store can help establish it. Pay attention to details like font choices, color schemes, and overall layout. Make sure your store policies, such as shipping and returns, are easy to find and clearly stated. A transparent and well-organized store can make customers feel more confident in their purchases. Even with the best preparation, mistakes can happen. Here are common ones to avoid. Picking saturated products. Avoid overly competitive niches where it's hard to stand out. Overpricing products. Find a balance between competitive pricing and profitability. Ignoring customer service. Respond to customer inquiries promptly and professionally. Learning from your mistakes is a crucial part of the entrepreneurial journey. Don't be afraid to make them and adapt along the way. Building a successful dropshipping business takes time and effort. Here are some final tips. Be patient. Success doesn't happen overnight. Stay committed and persistent in your efforts. Start small. Begin with a manageable number of products and gradually expand your offerings. Keep learning, the world of e-commerce is constantly evolving. Stay updated on the latest trends and strategies. Remember, dropshipping is a journey. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your successes, and never stop learning.